Well, because being nice is contagious. Maybe they'll catch it.
Toy Toy. You trying to get the fire?
Debbie Darla, good luck. What do you mean by that? I just mean good luck. Oh. Thank you.
Always a pleasure.
You see that thing? It said thank you.
What did I tell you?
What's that? Toy Toy.
Twins of all ages. We're about
Troy.
to begin the Twins Expo, the favorite twins contest. I'm your
What's
host,
that?
and no, you're not seeing single. There's only one of me.
What are you doing, honey?
So let's bring out our first contestant.
What are you doing?
If you will, from Gary, Indiana, the Spellman Twins.
What are you doing, honey?
Oh man, I haven't seen that much beef since my last double whopper.
You didn't want that, did ya?
Stay on. Let's bring out our next contestants. Please welcome, if you will, the Donaldson Twins.
We saw Mom open the fireplace. Uh-oh.
The majesty of America, the beauty of the sea, the seven wonders of the world are not as cute as we are.
Troy. What's that?
Thank you. The Donaldson Twins. Okay, and now our last contestants. Please, give it up for Nikki and Alex Gonzalez.
Troy, hi. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing, hon? Huh? You see your reflection there? Oh, who's that baby? You see your shadow? Oh. Toy Toy. You see your shadow, honey? Wow, who's that baby? Who's that handsome boy?
Now, let's bring all of our contestants up on stage while our judges make their final decision. You must be pretty darn proud, huh?
Not there.
Yeah. Having
Troy.
impersonators, every mother's dream.
Troy.
Oh, now it's the moment you're waiting for. Let me get the judge's decision.
Ooh.
Excuse me. You know what? That's my jacket.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah, Vicky, you know, this is not a good time.
That's pretty neat.
Are you still in the locker room?
Yeah, that's pretty neat,
Was that
Mom.
outside?
He's fire.
Look, I can't talk right now. I'll call you later, okay?
Is that fire?
Bye-bye.
Is it hot? Say, why is it not hot?
Where was I? Winners,
Hmm?
honey buns. Our runners-up and second place winners are
Troy, don't go there.
Donaldson.
What are you trying to do? Troy, you can't go there. Sit down. Sit. Troy, sit. Sit down, honey. Troy? Are you getting into trouble? Sit down.
Our first place winners.
Troy?
Nikki and
Are you stuck? Troy, are you stuck, honey? You don't know where to go? There, sit that bum down. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Park it. Park it, Troy. Park that big bum. Come on. Wait. Wait. Wait.
Honey, I have a great idea. Let's take a picture of this. We'll put it on a Christmas card and we'll send it to your idiot cousins.
Troy, Troy.
That should spread a little Christmas cheer. Just why?
Wow.
I got a great idea. Let's hire a skywriter and we'll skywrite lose over his big mansion.
Get out of there.
Alright, I'm a tad obsessed.
Come over here.
I just wanted
Come
to
over
show
here,
him that
Troy.
you can't buy action.
Atta boy, come back.
You're really great kids.
Come on.
You think you would have been happy if you married